starts counting. 5 minutes.
Yeah, so you just look in the area, and you pretty much are catching the video. And it's pretty comes in pretty good too. Not too bad. And then if you want to do narrating or anything, you really just keep on looking and talk or whatever.
That's a pretty good size camera.
Yeah, I'm hoping they bring the jet out.
Yeah.
Did you see that jet
No, I
yesterday?
didn't
You
even
didn't see
see
that
it.
jet? I don't know. Um, they might bring it out. He's dealing with a breeze there too. Look at him getting carried. That is pretty cool.
Yeah, it is horsepower.
Yeah. But yeah, the sunglasses you can get them off of eBay for like 20 bucks.
Oh, cool.
So they're not bad. And the downside of them is that they do take a while to charge. And but I mean, you get 2 hours, 2 hours of video. And I mean, they're no different than just wearing like a regular pair of sunglasses. And then right at the very tip there, like a real small video camera. And the only thing is, you gotta have, if you're looking at something, you gotta keep it at least that distance apart, or else you'll lose the visual. He's going up there. There we get a breeze picking up.